What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you the Untraceable mission for Legion. We need to take the weapon from the Sattiq Caves Dead Drop, use it to kill the Chemist in the same deployment, and finally return the weapon to the same Dead Drop in the same deployment. That's a huge mouthful, but it's relatively simple. All you need to do is head to the Dead Drop near the Sattiq Caves in D4 that I'm heading to right now, grab the weapon from the Dead Drop, then head across to wherever the closest radiation zone is, kill the Chemist. Because it's a sniper, you can sit outside of the radiation zone, which makes this a heck of a lot easier. And finally, after just killing the Chemist, we can escape and head all the way back to the Sattiq Caves Dead Drop, where we'll put the weapon down, and finally we'll be done with this mission. Now, unfortunately, while I was recording this, I killed an enemy who was driving away from the Dead Drop with the sniper. I then went to the Dead Drop and put the weapon down while picking up a new sniper that was in the Dead Drop because it was very confused. It ticked off both the first and the last part of this mission, so I thought, why don't I just run off and get the Chemist to tick off the last checkbox? Now, even though just after this I extracted with all three of the tick boxes ticked, the mission didn't count because I didn't do them all in order in the same mission. I needed to go back to drop off the sniper because I still had it on me. Regardless, I couldn't be asked to do this mission again. I've already finished this tier of crown quests because I've finished everything. Here, you can skip one mission per quest line, which makes life a little bit easier, and this really was an annoyance to do as I kept dying to bots in the area. Anyways, regardless, that's really about it for this quick explanation. It's a simple mission to do. Hopefully you understand the premise of it now. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.